Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailheadbadges Solutions YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription is a lot to me. So today we are going to complete the Trailhead challenge of gets answer with prompts. So let's go and check that what we need to do to complete this channel. So first of all, to complete this channel, we need to create the new developer edition arc. Okay, so to create that, we need to click this on this link. It will ask some basic details. Basic details like first name, last name, email ID, and everything. For the to save the time, I already created a developer arc and I already signed up and I already connected for this arc. Okay, so to move further steps, so we need to enable the Einstein in this arc. So for this, we need to go to the quick find box and search for Einstein. Yeah, here it is. So it's here it's already enabled that Einstein button for this arc, and we need to enable the Agentforce agents in the quick find box. We can go, yeah. So this is that path where we can enable that Agentforce agent. To enable Agentforce agents, we need to toggle this button. So now it's enabled. Okay, we can see some default Core Cloud agent and that Core Cloud experience agent. Let's check what is the next step. Okay, make sure Agentforce toggle button is on. Okay, so this already we enabled it. So now we need to create the prompt builder. Okay, so for that we need to go to the quick find box and search for prompt. Yeah, prompt builder, and then what they're saying here that click on that new prompt button. Yeah, new prompt button, and then the prompt template type should be flex. It should be flex template type, and then so we need to copy this template name. So API name will automatically come. The template description we can copy from here, and then name is customer account. Wait, define resources. We need to add this resources. Name is customer account, and then object is the type is object type, and that object is account object. Okay, and then we need to click on next, and then they're asking to copy this prompt to the prompt screen. Okay, and then they are asking to go to the preview settings. So this is the preview setting, and then we need to in customer accounts we need to keep this account name, we need to select this one, and then we need to just save on preview. Click on save on preview. What it will do, it will give that based on the prompt, right? It will resolve resolve prompt on that generated response. Okay. So these are the two are the outputs. Okay. After that, they are asking edit prompt with few short examples. Okay. And again, they are asking to go back to our prompt. Okay. So that our prompt, this is our prompt, and they're asking to replace the prompt content with this content. Okay. And then so they're asking save on preview. What it will do again based on this prompt, it will give that resolved prompt and that generated response. Okay. So mostly it will add it. Okay. And then so now what they are asking go back to this prompt, asking to create new prompt template, and this time they are asking to select Einstein AI generated search answer is that prompt type and the prompt name. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, sorry. We need to give description also. After that, we need to move to the next screen by clicking next button. So we need to define some prompt instructions by clicking this previous settings. So this is the query which we need to pass this prompt, and these are the chunks we need to pass in the chunk. And then in the prompt area, we need to copy and paste this content. And again, we need to click on save and preview. See, now also again we will get result prompt and then generated response. So based on that, our prompt content and the which we have given the previous settings like query and chunks. So here they're asking add chain of thought instructions to the prompt. Okay. So what we are doing, we are just going the prompt and changing the content and clicking on save on preview. Yeah, that's it from there. I think now here they are giving a challenge to complete this trial. Okay, let's go on check one more thing. Create a prompt template to generate marketing tagline. In the template instructions, Einstein AI to explain its reasoning engine. Okay, if you are not create in the top of this article, so here you can create new developer edition to complete this challenge. Okay, they are asking to create prompt with that prompt type is Einstein AI generated search or answers. Okay, let's go back. Click on new prompt template. Here select the prompt template type as gen Einstein AI generated search answers, and then name of the template, prompt template. API name will automatically come, and then template description, and need to move next screen by clicking next button, and this is that prompt they have given. Copy it and paste it prompt screen, We need to go to the previous settings and need to give this query, and we need to pass this given chunks, and then we need to add this to our prompt. Okay, chain of thoughts to our prompt, and then we need to click on save and preview. Yeah, with this step we successfully done uh, the given steps. Let's go and check our challenge. So yeah, damn surely we will get 500 points once we completed this challenge. Yeah, see, we have successfully completed the challenge. So if you face any issues while completing this trial, please let me know in the comment box. I will help you to resolve this one. So if you want to cover any type of trial address, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching.